Hello everyone. With spring blooms popping and green grass replacing those snowy driveways, it's the perfect time to store your snowblower the right way. In this video, I will walk you through a simple step to clean, prep and tuck away your machine so it's ready to roll out next winter. Don't let rust or old fuel be a problem. Let's give your snowblower the spring send-off it deserves. Welcome to MG Factor. Here are steps to properly store your snowblower for spring, so it's clean, protected and ready for next winter. Run out or stabilize the fuel. Either run the engine dry or add fuel stabilizer to the gas tank and run the blower for a few minutes to circulate it. This prevents fuel from gumming up the carburetor over time. There is no set rule which fuel stabilizer you should use. You should use whatever is available in your area. Now I will turn on the snowblower and let it run till the gas tank is empty and the fuel stabilizer is circulated throughout the system. If any of the gas is left, you can probably just take out the screw at the bottom of the carburetor and you can drain from the drain plug. At this point, you should clean the snowblower thoroughly. Remove any salt, dirt and grime. Use a brush and a damp cloth to clean the exterior for stubborn spots. Use mild soap and water. Dry completely to prevent any rust. Lubricate all the moving parts. Apply oil or light grease to exposed metals, part like the auger, chute and the cable to prevent rust. Leave the piston at top dead center during long-term storage. This helps to close the intake and exhaust valve, reducing moisture exposure inside the combustion chamber and preventing rust. You can do that by simply pulling the cord. Also check the drive and auger belts for cracks or wear. Replace if necessary or you are not caught off guard next season. Keep the snowblower in a garage, shed or under a weatherproof cover. Avoid areas with high humidity or water exposure that could lead to rust. Last but not the least, attach a sticky note or tag with what you did, such as oil change, fuel stabilized, to save time later. And that's all. With just a little spring prep, your snowblower will stay protected and ready to fire up when winter rolls back around. Taking care of it now saves you time, money and frustration later. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal maintenance tips and DIY guides. Enjoy the sunshine and those spring blooms. Your snowblower is off duty for now. Thanks for watching MG Factor.